So these quick connectors for low voltage can be pretty hard to snap in. Show you a little trick, I guess, how I do it. This one's orange, but it's Carlon brand, so it'd be the same as the blue ones at Home Depot, basically. So I take some wire lube here. See if I can do this with one hand. Some wire lube on that thing. Put it on the, this is 1-inch conduit, low voltage conduit. Alright. So I can do my right hand here. Alright, turn it back up okay here. Alright. Sometimes it takes two hits. Put my finger in there and kind of feel if there's a lip on it. But there's not, because if there's a lip when you're feeding wire through, sometimes the wire can get caught on that lip. But it's all the way seated, even an extra kind of little tap here. It's seated though. And that's it. That's how I usually get these in. Thanks for watching.